Shop normally.
Normally, with the wife material, normally with the full option, comfortable housewife. We are standing by now.
Yes,
Ambassador production. See, Ambassador himself. Now your production be this. The comfortable.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today na about Shine for selling gift. Shine say in a comfortable housewife. Oh, he say he want shoot film now. These days, the way Shine content they find these days, see they would shocktalize me. Not be schmonty, no. They say if you get husband, it's too sweet. Oh, it be like say, suppose Shine no say husband sweet like this. If for don't take, wish if for don't marry, since the way Shine can't take the suburb for a marriage these days, part two, not just there, oh my people. I go put the video on and say I'm not be small thing. Shine just 2 days happy like these days, can't they shine? Since whether our sister tell say shine. If you dey cover avec, they make your face they shine. They make your face they fine because your shine have your name. Shine means say make you they shine every day. Now it shine now. These days, these few days, not be small to you. Our face now, not be it really shows say marriage they read the sweet shine, not be small. I go put the video which they talk now more. See my darling people. Thank you. Bye.
Shop normally.
Normally, with the wife material, normally with the full option, comfortable housewife. We are standing by now.
Yes,
Ambassador production. See, Ambassador himself. Now your production be this. The comfortable husband. Now full house, so full squad. Becky. Yeah.
Yes, Miss Shine.
Yeah. It cannot be artificial. Yes, so it's a full house. Mama.
Yes,
Okay, color
yes,
now.
now me the talk.
Color the AK now.
Look again, I bet look this woman.
Which other AK?
AKA Iriemi. Why AKA you do AKA chop.
AK squad. AK squad. Love, I bet which one be your AK? I bet I dare you. Me I near love when we tell you about AK.
AKA Laluski.
Yeah, do you know her? Look at the face. Yeah. Oibotis. Oibotis. He's saying AKA Laluski. Yeah. I'm a Greg. Yeah.
I read the house, so we don't get AKA.
I'm a Greg. I bet you'll find one. Give yourself. Oh, just try call one.
AKA don't finish your market.
He said that AK don't finish for market. And here with me is our costumier. Say hi. Hi people. Costumier, you don't.
AKA
We are our phone key. So
We have many things to go today. Outside of the chateau.
my director is calling on his cast. Yes, I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, all the casts standing by.
So can we
Standing by.
get bread?
Standing by. See, in here.
Let us stand back.
Director, am I there?
Okay, you stand the water.
Okay. Yeah, they dodge the live video. See, they dodge on
We are
sense.
walking.
What's your AK? Tell them your AK.
I don't get a key.
Becky Bessie say they na AK. All right, guys. Director is calling on us to shoot. So
Continuity!
No, can you hold
Jennifer!
it?
Sir, what do you want?
See if you can do something.
She's inside.
Just something like this. Maybe you just probably be conscious of it.
Yes. Mama. The director is calling.
Director, we are standing by.
Are you not supposed to be acting before now?
I'm not here.
I need the continuity.
Yes, so full squad is right here. Full squad. More cast are coming on this production. As a bomb. As a bomb.
Mama.
Okay.
Hey, Minano. Oh, well, that's sorry.
It's more work they give me so.
What other one?
What group are what happened? What side of the name? You made to come back.
What with
One in the talo.
Stay on set. Yeah.
The new owner. Who's talking about a friend for whom? Oh, all friends for going out money. Who got you waiting? And Jana Safara, all friends do it.
Jah has all the power. Jah. Hey, Eloka.
So let's share it. Let's share it. Yeah, guys, we're doing trying to go through the scripts before shooting the scene. So I like to call it a day here. Have a pleasant day. It's a lady once again, Shine Francis Odige Oserige, aka Yellow Nomuse Worldwide, aka the Born Lioness, aka the Comfortable Housewife. Yes, if you haven't joined the group, please inbox me and then I will add you up in the group. God bless you. Stay blessed. Bye, guys. Love from us all.